Hello everyone, it's me Himanshu and welcome to Ramble and Curry. Firstly, I would like to wish you a very happy and prosperous new year. May 2022 bring you all the joy and happiness. Today I'm really thrilled and excited because I've received a gadget for which I've been waiting the most. And it is my Sony A7IV. This video is all about unboxing and seeing what do we have inside this box. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, do go ahead and subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started. And yeah, sorry, before I forget, the price of this camera is for 2,799 euros in Europe from where I have bought it, and it is sold for $2,499 in the US. Let's start the unboxing process and see what we have inside. The packaging seems to be minimal, which I think is very typical style these days. Interestingly, it has two different charging cables, one in European standard and the other in UK standard. Then a bunch of user manuals. And also it comes with a coupon to get 100 euros off for the next purchase of lens. In the second compartment, this is a very nice leather camera strap with Alpha A7IV printed on it. Next is the camera battery. A charging adapter. Guess this would be hooked to the camera to charge the battery. A premium quality of USB to Type-C cable. This will be required to charge the camera and also transfer all the data from the camera. And now this is what I have been waiting for. Finally, the Sony A7IV. Whoa, the camera looks stunning and feels great to hold. Not at all a heavy body, and it comes with a flip screen. I am so pleased with the build quality of the camera. If you are with me so far, then kindly support this channel by subscribing, and you can also follow me on Instagram and stay tuned to all the latest and greatest videos and pictures taken by the camera. Why not? Let's just pop in the battery and start the camera and see what it has to offer. The LCD screen looks really bright and is all touch enabled. Now comes the learning curve. So stay tuned, and in my upcoming videos I'll show you on my learning journey. Thanks for watching the video. Stay healthy, stay safe, and have a wonderful new year.